Cooper, if I let you out this time, you're done.
I think he knew what you said. He's like, yeah.
You're all done. Come on.
He wants you to go in there.
I'm not going in that water. Go on, get in here. In or out? Are you done? Are you done?
No. I think you said, no.
Jump.
That dog can swim.
Yeah, been there for a while, huh?
And he's loving it. Like, there's just no big deal.
Well, here comes the other one.
Thank you for your
He
chase.
was like, I go down the stairs. I'm old. That's it. He drinks the water.
Keep them over there. No! Yeah, keep them over there.
Boy, look, you got some good scratches on your back, buddy. Hey,
Yeah, he does.
you got some good scratches on your back, you know. Wow.
You know what? His little brother does. His little brother's got him in front of him.
Okay, now you get them to
Peter, when they jump, he jumps. That's why.
Hey! Come on! Come on!
He's trying to bait him, keep the dog
Yeah.
down this end. You guys got to swim across the pool. That dog's been moving a while.
That's good. No more dog fights.
No, they'll be too tired after this. Like, I don't know about Gina's dog, but the other one will.
What's the matter, Pops? You don't want to go in the pool, huh?
All right, get out.
Now, Gina's dog is not, I mean, it's just the whole time in the deep end, just going and going and going.
Go, go, go! Quick!
heading for the
he's
get out.
tired.
Oh, no, no. I gotta go back after him.
Look at him go. Look how fast that dog goes in the water.
All right, you're done. You're all done.
Hey, swim faster, folks! Wait, guys, try to get him out.